Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to change Crunchyroll to English dub. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Crunchyroll typically offers a diverse array of anime content with various language options, including both English dub and subtitles. If you're specifically looking for an anime with English dub on Crunchyroll, you can follow these steps. First, launch the Crunchyroll app on your device, or you can visit the website. Now we have to navigate to the Browse section to explore the available anime titles. Now, tap on the filter icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. Select the dubbed option from the filter menu. To ensure the changes take effect, tap on Update Filters. Once you've applied the dubbed filter, you may go ahead and browse through the list to find English dubbed anime. Alternatively, you can use the search icon in the top right corner to directly search for English dubbed anime titles. It's important to note that not every anime title on Crunchyroll comes with an English dub option. The availability of English dub is contingent on licensing agreements and the creation of dub versions for specific anime series. If a particular series doesn't offer English dub, you might still have the option to enjoy it with English subtitles. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.